Hello there, welcome to Joobilant. Are you finding it hard to understand some of the labels in your Vtiger CRM? Or maybe you want to change some of them to better fit the way your team works? Well, today I'm going to show you how to easily fix that with the Label Editor in Vtiger CRM. It lets you change labels for fields, buttons, menus, and blocks. As you can see here, I have already changed the Opportunities label to Deals. Now, everything related to Opportunities has also changed to Deals completely. So if we open the Opportunities, we see that everywhere, even the fields and menus are changed to match the new label. This simple change helps make the label editor in your own CRM. First, log into your Vtiger CRM account. Go to Settings, then click on CRM Settings. Next, navigate to Other Settings and select CRM Label Editor. Now, select the module that you want to change the labels for. For example, I am going to change the Contact module. You can also choose the preferred language for your labels here. This ensures that your team can work in any language that's most comfortable and accessible for everyone. From here, simply hit Edit to start modifying the labels. You can go through each label and make the necessary changes. For example, if you want to change the Contacts label to Customers, just edit it here. It'll be more specific for your team. You can change labels for fields, buttons, menus, and blocks from here, so your CRM more matches your business needs. After saving all the changes, let's go back to Vtiger CRM to see the results. Before, these were formerly Contacts. Now, it will change to Customers completely. As you can see, the menus, labels, buttons, and fields have all been updated to match the new settings. The contact name is now exactly how we wanted it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Vtiger tips and tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below or contact us at hello@joobilant.com. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.